What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here, coming at you with another video. I hope you're all doing well, staying home, staying safe. Before I begin, I want to give a huge shout out to Daily Diecast, Mustang Hunter, and Honest Diecast. If you guys aren't subscribed to their channels, you guys are missing out. They all have great content. Daily Diecast goes hunting every day, and then he goes home and he does a review of what he picked up at the store. And he's not afraid to open up the castings like I am. The Mustang Hunter, he does a combination of hunting videos and reviews. He's also very knowledgeable about cars, so you get a little bit of an education while being entertained, so really cool. And lastly, Honest Diecast, he does mostly hunting videos. Sometimes he takes his family along with him, sometimes he takes a buddy along with him. All very cool guys. Check them out, guys. I would appreciate it if you guys give them the same love and support that you give me. Alright guys, I'm going to make a brief pause, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Alright guys, welcome back. I appreciate your patience. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick review on a few of these Hot Wheels Car Culture Team Transport castings that I picked up here and there. I did not show these in a previous video that I did, so I hope you guys like them. And let's get started with this one here. So this is the 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302 Retro Rig. Mustang Hunter, I hope that you pick this one up. It's really cool, buddy. Don't mean to throw it in your face, but it really is. So this one, as you can see, it comes in an all blue color. It has a bunch of different sponsors on it. It's got the gray interior in both the hauler and the Mustang itself. Check out the different sponsors it has, and it's got matching decals on the Mustang itself. I'm really digging the chrome rims on the hauler. Really cool. The chrome rims on the Mustang itself, they're pretty decent. Not my favorite, but they're pretty cool. As you can see, it has the Ford Mustang or the Ford Racing Team decals. So pretty cool. Let's check out the back. As you can see, very nicely done. Both the hauler and the Mustang. You could barely see the Mustang emblem right below the center of the aero lift. I wish it had the Mustang emblem between the taillights. Maybe this is the way it's supposed to be. I'm not sure. Mustang Hunter, you know a lot about Mustangs. You could drop a comment and let me know if there is supposed to be a Mustang emblem between the taillights or not. On the hauler itself, right below the tailgate, you could see that it says the going thing, and below that on the plate itself, it's got the Ford decal. Very cool. Check out the white racing stripe on the hood, and it's got a matching racing stripe right there. So very cool. Check out the horns on above the outside the cabin here. Very cool. It's got a light gray interior. Let's check out the front there. Really cool. It lacks a little detail on the taillights, but you know, it's got the nice chrome grille. Very nice. Let me know what you guys think. Let's move on to the next one. This one has some pretty good weight on it. So this is the Mercedes-Benz 300 Euro hauler. So as you can see, it's got lots of different decals on the hauler itself. It says hashtag IWC Racing, and below that it says IWC Schaffhausen Classic Racing Team. Very cool. Really like the color scheme on both the car and the hauler, black and gray or silver. Check out the number 68 on the hood. You can see that the the front is very nicely done. The grille, the headlights. You can also see the number 68 on the door. Very nicely done. Let's check out the front. It's got a black interior. Check out the detail on the front. You could see the windshield wipers. It's right there, and it's got a light tint windshield. You could see some more decal just above the windshield. Same thing. It says hashtag IWC Racing. Really, really cool. Let me know what you guys think. Let's move on to this one here. So this is the 2016 Ford GT Race Ford C800. So really, really cool. This one, when I first saw it in the Lanley group, when he first showcased it, it did not look very appealing to me at first. But you know, when I actually went to the store and I saw it, I was like, wow, this car actually does look pretty cool. You know, the red looks a lot more looks sharper. Just the color scheme and all the decals and everything on it is really, really cool. I really like the chrome rims on the hauler. Very, very nice. I like all the different decals it has, the different sponsors it has. Check that out. And it's got you know, the matching decals on the car itself. Very, very cool. Check out that spoiler. As you can see if I could get a better shot. There we go. There you go, guys. As you can see, it's got you know, the Ford decal, and it says EcoBoost to the right of that. Very, very nice. Check out all the detail on the back, both the car and the hauler. Very cool. The plate says Ford right between the taillights. Very, very cool. Let's check out the front really quick. Check out the horns, you know, on the cabin. Pretty cool. It's got the rear view mirror. Pretty cool. And check out the front. Check out all the detail. It says Ford in gray. The windshields have a dark tint on it. Check out the grille in gray as well. And the headlights are nicely done. Very, very nice. Highly recommended, guys. Pretty sure they're still, you know, you could still find them. I went to Walmart yesterday and I found a lot of, you know, combination of old and new stuff. So they're probably doing that because of the holidays, you know. But yeah, go hit your Walmarts. You should be able to find them. All right, guys. So let's move on to this awesome 1968 Dodge Dart Horizon hauler. So this one comes in a nice hot pink. It's got a white interior, and it matches the interior on the hauler as well. The decals say Mariposa Speed Shop in El Segundo, California. So those of you who don't know, Mariposa is the name of the street where the Mattel store is located at, and you know, El Segundo is the city, and of course it's in California. So it says a swinging thing on the door. Check out the door handle. It's nicely done right there in gray. Check out the different sponsors right there. Very, very cool. You could see the Dodge decal there. You could see the Goodyear decal right below. And there's some other sponsor right there. I can't make out what it says. Check out the white rims on both the car and the hauler. I was looking for the exhaust pipes on the hauler, but you could only see the gas tank. So, you know, it's got the hauler has some matching decals. You know, you could see the Mariposa Speed Shop El Segundo, California. And 2031, don't quote me on this, guys, but I'm pretty sure that that's the number of the building where the Mattel store is. Believe it or not, guys, back in the late 90s, I worked a couple of blocks away from the Mattel store in El Segundo. I used to do customer service for a telemarketing company, and unfortunately, I was not collecting Hot Wheels back in the day. But I used to swing by the Mattel store every now and then during my lunch break, and you know, it's funny because I used to walk in there, and sometimes the employees would be stocking up on Hot Wheels, and they would tell me, "Hey, if you're looking for super treasure hunts or for treasure hunts, you know, there's some in this area, or they're here, or they're there." And to me, it was like, you know, like whatever. Like I didn't know what a treasure hunt was. I didn't know what a super treasure hunt was. But anyways, I missed out on a lot of good stuff. I wish I would have been collecting back then, but you know, it is what it is. I'm pretty sure someone else is enjoying those Hot Wheels that I did not pick up. So let's take a look at the wheels on the hauler. Looks like it has the slick tires, and I'm pretty sure it's true. Actually, it is true for the car itself. I don't see a tread on the wheels. You can see that they're nice and slick. Check out the back. Lacks a little detail on the back, but that's okay. You know, you could barely see that the tail lights are detailed, and you could see that it says Dodge on the right side. Very, very cool. Let's check out the front. I was hoping that it had you know, some more decals on the hood, but it doesn't. Check out the grill there. Lacks a little detail on the headlights, but it's okay. It's got the grill, a chrome grill. Very, very nice. Let me know what you guys think. This is definitely one of my favorite haulers of 2020. And last but not least, we got the custom Corvette Stingray Coupe Fleet Flyer. Check out the Corvette decal on the truck. Check out the Goodyear decal there on to the right. I'm really digging the rims on the hauler. Very, very nice. I like the detail on the outside of the windows in gray. Very nice. Check out the door handle. It also has the gray color on the door handle as well. Let's check out the front really quick. I do appreciate the detail on the windshield wipers in gray. Really cool. Looks like they have it has a dark tint windows all around, so that's why you can't really see the interior very well. But if I were to guess, the interior is black. Let's check out the back, or I should say the front of the car. Check out the racing stripes it has along the middle there on the hood and the top, and I'm pretty sure it's true for the back as well. Very, very nice casting. Let me know what you guys think. Check out the number 65 here. Very, very nice. It does lack a little detail. Maybe not. Maybe the headlights are supposed to be down like they are. So very, very nice casting. Let me know which one of the 5 that I showed you is your favorite. For me personally, it's this one right here. But let me know what you guys think, guys. You guys have a nice Thanksgiving. Thank you very much for joining me in another video. You guys take care. You guys be safe. God bless. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out. Later.